The iPhone 17 Pro and Sony a7 IV represent two very different approaches to photography and videography. The iPhone 17 Pro, released September 2025, is a premium smartphone with an integrated computational camera system, excelling in convenience, portability, and hybrid use as a daily driver device. The Sony a7 IV, released 2091 but still highly relevant in 2025 with a recent price drop, is a dedicated full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professional and enthusiast photographers, videographers, prioritizing raw image quality, lens flexibility, and ergonomic control. This comparison focuses on key aspects like design, imaging performance, usability, and value. Data is drawn from official specs, hands-on reviews, and recent pricing as of September 2025. While the iPhone punches above its weight for a phone camera, the Sony's larger sensor and ecosystem give it an edge in pure photographic potential. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs. The iPhone for on-the-go versatility, the Sony for serious creative work. 1. Design and portability. The iPhone 17 Pro is a sleek, pocketable device with an aluminum/ceramic shield back and eyepiece to save water resistance, making it ideal for everyday carry. Its 6.3-inch display doubles as a touch interface for quick shots, and the new camera UI in iOS 19 allows swipe-based mode switching, e.g., photo to panorama. However, it lacks physical dials, relying on touch for exposure adjustments which can feel less precise in gloves or low light. The Sony a7 IV is bulkier and heavier, especially with a lens attached. But its magnesium alloy body, weather sealing, and customizable buttons dials offer pro-level ergonomics. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, is a game-changer for composing in bright sunlight or precise manual focus, something the iPhone can't match without accessories. Winner. iPhone for portability, Sony for dedicated handling. 2. Image quality and sensor performance. The Sony's full-frame 33-megapixel sensor delivers superior dynamic range, up to 15 stops, low noise performance at high ISOs, and natural bokeh thanks to its larger pixels and no low-pass filter. Reviews praise its JPEG colors and detail retention in RAW files, making it excellent for landscapes, portraits, and prints up to 24 by 36 inches. In low light, it handles ISO 12800 with minimal noise. The iPhone 17 Pro's smaller 48-megapixel sensors use computational photography, e.g., Deep Fusion Smart HDR5, to punch above their weight, producing vibrant, share-ready images with Megabit Pro RAW support. The all-48-megapixel setup shines in detail for the 4x telephoto, 100mm equiv, ideal for portraits, but it crops to 12 megapixels for the 8x, 200mm zoom, and low-light noise creeps in above ISO 3200 without night mode, up to 30 seconds on tripod. Dynamic range is strong, around 13 stops, but not full frame level, and colors can skew warm in mixed lighting. Winner, Sony. The larger sensor provides unmatched depth and flexibility. 3. Lenses and versatility. Fixed lenses limit the iPhone to 4 focal lengths, 0.5x to 8x, but the 48-megapixel telephoto upgrade from the iPhone 16 Pro's 12-megapixel version adds sharpness for compressed landscapes and wildlife. It's great for travel, but can't swap for macro or prime lenses. The Sony's E-mount system is its superpower. Pair it with a 16-35mm wide-angle, $200 for astrophotography, or a 135mm portrait lens, $2,000 for creamy bokeh. This is modularity future-proofs it for any genre. Winner, Sony by a mile. 4. Autofocus and speed both excel here. The iPhone's LiDAR-assisted phase detection locks onto eyesore subjects instantly, even in video, with AI predicting motion, e.g. man tracking cyclists. It's seamless for casual users. Sony's 693-point system with AI-based real-time tracking is legendary for sport/wildlife, detecting birds or vehicles with 99% accuracy. It edges out in complex scenes like concerts. Both are top tier, but Sony for pros. 5 video capabilities. The iPhone 17 Pro is a video beast. 4K 920 FPS in ProRes log for color grading plus action mode stabilization that rivals gimbals. The new 8X Tele adds reach for vlogs, and audio, spatial with mics, is polished. Sony offers 4K 60p full-width readout, no crop in 10-bit, with S-Cinetone for cinematic looks out of camera. It's strong for hybrid shooters, but lacks the iPhone's frame rate punch and log gamma ease. Winner, iPhone for mobile creators. 6. Battery life and storage. The iPhone lasts a full day of mixed use, photos, calls, apps with fast 30-bar auto charging, but heavy video drains it quicker. Storage is ample but non-expandable. Sony's battery supports 600+ shots, swappable for all-day shoots, and dual SD cards allow unlimited archiving. Winner, Sony for extended sessions. 7. Usability and ecosystem. iPhone integrates seamlessly with Apple ecosystem, e.g. AirDrop editing, iCloud Sync, and apps like Halide for manual controls. New features like photographic styles, e.g. Bright for enhanced foliage or sky, and lens cleaning hints make it idiot-proof. Sony's menu is dense but customizable with tethering to Lightroom. It pairs with any computer but shines in Sony's Pro workflow. Winner, iPhone for beginners, Sony for experts. 8. Price and value. At $1,090, the iPhone bundles a world-class phone, A19 Pro chip, 12 GB RAM, with its camera, incredible value for casual pros. Sony's $2,000 body requires $500+ for a kit lens, totaling $2,500+, but it's an investment for lifelong use. Winner, iPhone for budget-conscious buyers, pros and cons. Summary: iPhone 17 Pro Pros, ultra-portable and multifunctional. Computational magic for stunning casual shots videos. Excellent stabilization and AI features. Lower entry price with phone perks. iPhone 17 Pro cons: fixed lenses limit creativity. Smaller sensor struggles in extreme low light. No EVF or physical controls. Sony a7 IV Pros: full frame excellence in IQ and low light. Lens ecosystem for any scenario. Robust build and EVF for precision, expandable storage and battery swaps. Sony a7 IV cons: bulky and expensive with lenses. Steeper learning curve, less point-and-shoot friendly. Which one is the best choice? If your priority is convenience, portability, and hybrid phone camera use, e.g. travel vlogging, social media, or everyday snaps, go with the iPhone 17 Pro. It's the best all-in-one device in 2025, delivering 90% of Pro results without the hassle, especially at $1,000 for dedicated photography with videography, where image quality, lens options, and control matter most, e.g. weddings, landscapes, or studio work. The Sony a7 IV is the superior choice. Its full-frame sensor and modularity make it a creative powerhouse that ages gracefully even in 2025 at $2,000. If budget allows adding lenses, it's worth the investment over the iPhone's limitations.